Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Canada, and I am excited because I'm about to start a new series of videos, and I'm calling them my Stampin' 101 videos, and we're going to go back to the basics and cover lots of different things. So this Stampin' 101 video is all about kits. So if you are a new stamper, new card maker, new to Stampin' Up!, a new paper crafter, then this video is for you. But actually not only just for new stampers. Sometimes we like to go back to the basics and keep things simple. So feel free, if you're an experienced stamper, to watch this, because I'm sure that you might pick up a thing or two from this video as well. Okay, so first of all, if you are in Canada and you do not currently have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, feel free to hit subscribe below. Shoot me an email and let me know that you are new to Stampin' Up! And that you would like the current catalogs, and I'll happily send them to you, especially this brochure, which we will talk about. Okay, let's start with that actually. So this is a great brochure for new stampers. So if you're a new stamper, not familiar with Stampin' Up!, and you're handed a catalog this size with all of these products, it can be quite overwhelming. So that's why it's great to start with this new brochure. In it, there are several, it talks about the different kinds of stamps, which will be a separate video. And then it goes into some different kit options. So this particular one is a quick and easy kit. It's called Looking Up Card Kit. And everything that you need is in the box. So I've got a couple kits here that I will share how they come and what they look like and what you can expect. This talks a little bit about Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin is our monthly subscription kit. Now, if you just want a little taste, if you want to see if you like this, Paper Pumpkin is the way to go. And I'll talk a little bit more about that again. And then here, if you think about, as a new stamper, what is it that you want to make? So do you want to make birthday cards? Do you want to make tags? Do you want to do gift packaging? Do you want to do, maybe you're a scrapbooker, maybe I don't know, maybe you want to do all occasion cards. So think about what types of things you want to make and then find something that's suitable for you. So this one is quick and easy tags. So there's cute little tags, and then they've got some little mini pizza boxes that you can tuck a gift card in or some little treats in. And then it's got a suggestion for a stamp set. And then there's also all of the supplies that you need to create these projects. Okay, and there's one easy product number up here, or it breaks it down. So if you just want to pick and choose what you would like to make. And then here's another example. This is, one thing about Stampin' Up! Is it's all about coordination. So we've got some cards that kind of coordinate with the stamp set. And again, there's one product number. If you love these and want to give these a try, all of the supplies that you need are right there. And then here, this one is Celebrate with Cake. And these are kind of birthday themed cards. And then here's a great one for all occasion cards. So if you want a stamp set that will allow you to make a bunch of different cards for a bunch of different occasions. So this one, you can see that there's birthday, there's congratulations, there's just a generic for you, which you can use for lots of different occasions. Welcome little one, and a couple other ones. So again, then this suite might be something that you're interested in. And then there's a few other additional suggestions back here. Okay, so let's have a look at one of the kits. So this kit here, this particular kit wasn't in that little mini brochure, but in the big catalog, we have several other kits. Let me just point that out. So in the annual catalog towards the back, on pages 200 to 203, we've got several other kits. And you'll see that some kits are all-inclusive, which means it has everything that you need. And then some are project kits, so they don't include everything that you need, okay? So this usually, in that case, the stamp set comes separately. So this one here is called the Notes of Kindness card kit. And in it, you get an exclusive stamp set. So the stamp sets are different based on the kit. So this one, you can see that it is focused around thank you cards. So it's got thanks, it's got you're so kind, thank you, and it's got a couple images as well. And then you always get a Stampin' Spot. So that's like a little ink pad. And this particular one is black. And then everything is all pre-packaged. In the all-inclusive kits, you do get a block, which you'll continue to use over and over and over, and everything else that you need. So it's got dimensionals, it's got mini glue dots because you need those. Everything is all pre-cut and die cut for you. The cards are pre-scored, some of them are pre-printed, and it comes like inside this brochure are the instructions on how to put everything together. So it really is a great all-inclusive kit. Everything that you need is inside the box. The only thing that you will need to add is a pair of scissors and a snail adhesive. So although this does come with adhesive, it's the specialty adhesive. So the dimensionals for when you need to pop something up to give it a bit of dimension, and mini glue dots for things like adding a ribbon or cording, okay? So those are the only two things that you'll need to add. Otherwise, everything that you need is in the box. So that is a fabulous way to get started. And that is one type of kit. And then I had mentioned Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin, like I said, is an exclusive subscription box. So all of these products are only available as a subscriber. So every month you get a different stamp set. So this one is seasonal. So it's got season's greetings, winter wishes. There's another greeting here that says, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. And then there's some little dots there, which I think is meant to be snow. There's a little cardinal and then a snowflake. And then you get a Stampin' Spot just like the other kits. So this particular one is Native Navy, so it's a navy blue. When the first month that you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, if you're a new subscriber, you will get a clear block in your box as well, so that you are able to use it. And then inside this pretty tissue paper is everything that you need to create the project for that month. Now, sometimes it's cards, sometimes it's tags, sometimes it's something else, sometimes it's little treat boxes. It's different, it varies. For the most part, it is cards. So in this particular kit, I think we got enough supplies to make 12 of these cards. Okay, and there's all the supplies ready to go. So I'll show you one of these that's open so you get an idea of how it looks and what to expect. Okay, so here's my Paper Pumpkin box. So some of the pieces have been used in mine because I've gone ahead and used it. So in here, like I said, it's got instructions on how to put it together. You've got a little sheet of mini glue dots and dimensionals. And then, like I said, everything is pre-cut or die cut for you. So you can see that sparkle on there. These pieces are meant to just be popped out. Here's an extra snowflake that I had stamped. The cardinals are all ready to pop out. You've got some little sequins. You've got your Stampin' Spot. And then here's the pre-printed card. It's all scored for you. All you have to do is fold it and then assemble. It comes with envelopes, so these ones happen to be silver lined envelopes, and look at the inside. Beautiful, love that wood green. And then more pieces to assemble those 12 cards. Okay, so that's how a card kit is meant to be, or meant to look. So you've got everything that you need, and like I said, for this as well, the only thing that you'll need to add is a snail adhesive and a pair of scissors. Okay, so I will have a link to where you can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin in the description below. And I will have a link to where you can shop online below as well. And I'll have my contact information so that you can contact me if you have any questions. But those are the types of kits. And like I said, if you are new to Stampin' Up! And would like to just give it a try, this is a great solution. The cost of these kits are, I think with shipping, if you subscribe month to month, it works out to $31.50. I believe that includes shipping and tax. It just gets back here. $30. So plus, and that's shipping, so $30 plus tax, sorry. And then there are deals if you want to do a prepaid subscription. You can do it for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. And the prices are at the back, or at the bottom here. And I'll post those all in the description below. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that first video where we talked about kits. The next video, we will talk about supplies that you'll need as a new card maker. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any future Stampin' 101 videos. Thanks so much for watching.